So this US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Monday the 5th of March. Now let's just have a look what having prices and where price may likely go. So previously we've had these this high here in around 107.50 or so. We've posted a lower high. We had sell side momentum coming to the market, brief consolidation before seeing sell. I think it's called the bear flag. Brief consolidation before seeing the sell side momentum take us down towards this 105.55. Trade slightly below it. We've not been able to hold on to the level, surprisingly enough, as we did in the past. And we are in a period of consolidation around 105.55. Now, we've had two candles which have tested this 105.55, but we are outside the volatile market hours, say the US European session or so. So, even though we are trading during the Asian session, we've had a couple of tests of this 105.55. If we are able to hold 105.55 as resistance, we'll be expecting further downside momentum in this market. So if we were to see a sell side momentum continue in this market, the very next level that we are looking at is in around 104.65. The very next range level that we're looking at is in around 104.65 to see whether we do see a bit of a bounce and whether prices do retrace, or if we do break down from this 104.65, the very next level that we are looking at is in around 103.17 if we were to see the breakdown. If, however, we were to find support at this 105.55, were to find support at 105.55 and hold it, we would be looking for price to head up towards that 106.32. And again, above 106.32, I can't anticipate price to move much beyond that level, especially in light of this most recent sell-off. So again, 106.32, if we were to break beyond there, we might see price head towards that 106.60, and where we did have this previous period of consolidation before we saw these moves upwards. So previously an area which acted as support could potentially act as resistance on the US dollar against Japanese yen. So we'll just have a look at the higher time frames before wrapping up here on the US dollar Japanese yen. Head over to the monthly chart and we can see pretty clear, isn't it? Pretty clear on this monthly chart. I had a bearish month there, another bearish month closing near the lows, and again we're bearish already. We are bearish. March isn't very old, but again, the bearishness continues. So we've got our highs. So we've got our highs there, lower high, lower high. We've seen the sell side momentum. We're into the 200 period moving average. Not really seen much of a reaction so far. Now let's just have a look at the weekly time frame. So over to the weekly time frame, as you can see, and we've broken these lows here, and we found resistance all the way up at that 114.30, and we do seem poised for prices to head down towards the 400 period moving average and this 100 level. That's currently what appears to be the case over the next coming weeks or so, if this current most recent trend does persist. Now let's just have a look at the daily chart. And over at the daily chart, we can see we've had strong sell side momentum, brief pullback, strong sell side momentum, brief pullback, and again we are seeing that strong sell side momentum. Reason I say strong sell side momentum, the candles are closing near their lows. Now, with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.